Pad Thai is undoubtedly one of the most famous and beloved dishes in Thai cuisine. Known for its perfect balance of sweet, salty, sour and spicy flavors, Pad Thai has become a must-try dish for travelers visiting Thailand. Whether you're eating it at a bustling street market, a beachside restaurant, or in the comfort of your home, Pad Thai delivers an authentic taste of Thailand's vibrant food culture. In this video, we'll explore the history and origins of Pad Thai, break down its nutritional values, and guide you through a detailed but easy-to-follow recipe. By the end, you'll be ready to make your own authentic Pad Thai and enjoy this incredible dish wherever you are. What is Pad Thai? Pad Thai is a stir-fried rice noodle dish that typically includes shrimp or chicken, eggs, tofu, bean sprouts, and peanuts, all tossed in a tamarind-based sauce. The result is a delightful mix of textures and flavors that define what many consider the ultimate Thai street food experience. Traditionally, Pad Thai is served with a wedge of lime, crushed peanuts, and sometimes pickled vegetables on the side. The versatility of Pad Thai allows for various customizations based on personal taste preferences, whether it's vegetarian, extra spicy, or with added seafood. Fun fact: in Thailand, Pad Thai is considered a quick meal and is often found at food stalls and street vendors, where it's made fresh in just a few minutes. The history of Pad Thai. Pad Thai's origin story is an interesting one, as it is a relatively new addition to Thai cuisine, created in the 1930s. The dish was introduced by Prime Minister Pleek Phibunsongkhram as part of a national campaign to promote Thai nationalism. During World War II, rice shortages prompted the government to encourage people to eat noodles instead of rice, and Pad Thai quickly gained popularity. The Prime Minister also saw the dish as a way to unite the country under a shared culinary identity, and it was widely promoted as a national dish of Thailand. Pad Thai soon became a beloved street food throughout the country, and its popularity spread internationally as Thai cuisine gained recognition worldwide. Fun fact: the name Pad Thai means Thai-style stir-fry, which highlights its association with Thai identity and culture. Nutritional values of Pad Thai. Pad Thai is a fairly balanced dish that provides a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. However, the nutritional content can vary based on the ingredients used, especially the type of protein and the amount of oil or sugar in the sauce. Here is a general breakdown of the nutritional value for a standard serving of Pad Thai, approximately 300 to 400 grams. Calories: 400 to 500 kilocalories. Protein: 15 to 20 grams, varies depending on the protein used. Carbohydrates: 50 to 60 grams. Fat: 15 to 20 grams. Fiber: 5 to 6 grams. Sodium: 600 to 800 milligrams from the fish sauce and soy sauce. While Pad Thai can be high in calories due to the noodles and cooking oil, it also provides essential nutrients like protein from the eggs and tofu, vitamins from the bean sprouts and vegetables, and healthy fats from peanuts. How to make authentic Pad Thai. Making Pad Thai at home may seem daunting, but with the right ingredients and a bit of practice, it's easier than you might think. This recipe will guide you through the process of creating a delicious, authentic Pad Thai that rivals what you'd find in Thailand. Ingredients: serves 2 to 3. 200 grams rice noodles, preferably flat, thin rice noodles. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 shallot, finely chopped. 100 grams shrimp, chicken or tofu, cubed. 1 egg. 100 grams bean sprouts. 1 small carrot, julienne, optional. 2 tablespoons fish sauce, or soy sauce for a vegetarian option. 1 tablespoon tamarind paste. 1 tablespoon sugar, palm sugar if available. 1 teaspoon chili powder, adjust to taste. 2 tablespoons peanuts, crushed. 1 lime, cut into wedges. Fresh coriander, optional for garnish. 1 spring onion, chopped, optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the noodles. Soak the rice noodles in warm water for about 30 minutes until soft but still firm. Drain and set aside. Alternatively, follow the package instructions for cooking. 1. Make the pad thai sauce. In a small bowl, combine the fish sauce or soy sauce, tamarind paste, and sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is well combined. Set aside. 1. Stir-fry the protein. Heat a large pan or wok over medium heat and add the vegetable oil. Once hot, add the garlic and shallot and stir-fry for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add your choice of protein, shrimp, chicken, or tofu, and stir-fry until cooked through. If using shrimp, cook until they turn pink. For chicken, cook until no longer pink inside. 1. Add the egg. Push the protein to one side of the pan and crack the egg into the other side. Scramble the egg until it's cooked, then mix it with the rest of the ingredients in the pan. 1. Cook the noodles. Add the soaked rice noodles to the pan and pour the pad thai sauce over them. Stir-fry everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure the noodles are well coated with the sauce. 1. Add vegetables and seasonings. Stir in the bean sprouts, carrot, and spring onion, if using. Toss everything together for another minute. If you like your pad thai spicy, now is the time to add the chili powder. 1. Serve. Once everything is well combined and heated through, transfer the pad thai to plates. Garnish with crushed peanuts, lime wedges, and fresh coriander. Serve hot. Fun fact: in Thailand, pad thai is often served with a variety of condiments on the side, including dried chili flakes, sugar, and vinegar, allowing you to adjust the flavor to your personal preference. Variations of pad thai. While the traditional recipe remains a favorite, pad thai can easily be adapted to suit various dietary needs and preferences. Here are a few common variations. Vegetarian pad thai. Swap out the shrimp or chicken for tofu and use soy sauce instead of fish sauce to make this dish completely vegetarian. Seafood pad thai. Add shrimp, squid, and other seafood for a coastal twist on the dish. Chicken pad thai. Using chicken instead of shrimp makes for a heartier, more filling meal. Spicy pad thai. Increase the chili powder for a spicier version or serve it with a side of Thai chili flakes for an extra kick. Why travelers love pad thai. Pad thai's global popularity stems not only from its incredible flavors, but also from its accessibility. When you're traveling through Thailand, you'll find pad thai at almost every food market, restaurant, and even beachside stalls. It's a dish that's quick to prepare, easy to customize, and always satisfying. Whether you're a first-time visitor to Thailand or a seasoned traveler, pad thai offers a taste of authentic Thai cuisine that's hard to resist. Fun fact: despite its worldwide fame, many travelers are surprised to learn that pad thai is considered a relatively new dish in Thailand, dating back less than 100 years. Conclusion: pad thai is the epitome of Thai street food, a dish that balances sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors, all in one plate. With its rich history, simple ingredients, and bold taste, pad thai continues to captivate both locals and visitors alike. Now that you have an authentic recipe and a deeper understanding of its origins, you can enjoy this iconic dish from the comfort of your own kitchen. Have you tried making pad thai at home or enjoyed it during your travels? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video on your social media and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we'll be bringing you a video tutorial on how to make the fantastic foods of Thailand at home.